The artist Marc Rees chose 12 objects from the Carmarthen County Museum to represent the 12 themes of the theatre project Tir Sir Gâr. This is the story of one of those objects. A cup carved from cow's horn is the object that's been chosen to represent the theme Livestock. It is a very simple, light and delicate cup, the type of which can be seen dating back to the Middle Ages. The cup was reportedly made during the 19th century, somewhere in the district of Llandeilo. It was gifted to Carmarthen Museum by Mrs. Davis of Richmond Terrace, Carmarthen, in April 1929. Creating tools and equipment from horn was a very resourceful and economical example of people using materials that were available to them. Animal hides were usually sold to a particular craftsman, a tanner for example, before the horn was sold on to a specialist who would heat the horn in order to reshape it as needed. In addition to cups, many other objects could be made from cow horn, including spoons and even bowls. In some cases, farm workers who reaped the hay would carry two hollowed-out cow horns, one containing grease or fat, and the other containing sand. As the worker reaped, their blade would become blunted, and therefore a mixture of the sand and grease would be used to sharpen it once again. According to Marc Rees, the object, due to its core material, has a strong and dangerous energy, which contrasts beautifully with a domestic, rather soft image of the cup itself.